To have is the second most commonly used verb. It can be used to show possession and as helping verb. It is type of irregular verb because it has three different forms. Has, have, had. Have is the base form of the verb. The form of the verb depends on the subject and the tense. If the sentence is in the present tense, we will use has with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Similarly, have will be used with I, you, they, we, and plural nouns. If the sentence is in the past tense, had will be used with all subjects. Let's discuss positive sentences. If sentence is in present tense and subject is singular noun, he, she, it, we use has to make positive sentences. For example, she has a cat. If sentence is in present tense and subject is plural noun, I, you, we, they, we use have to make positive sentences. For example, they have 2 cars. Finally, in the past tense for all subjects we use the verb had. For example, I had a meeting yesterday. Now test your understanding by answering these questions. You will get 5 seconds to answer each question. So let's start. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Talk about negative sentences. If the sentence is in present tense and subject is singular noun, he, she, it, we use does not have to make negative sentences. For example, she does not have a cat. And do not have with plural noun. I, you, we, they, for example, they do not have 2 cars. With the past tense we use did not have with all subjects. For example, I did not have a meeting yesterday. We always use base form have in negative and interrogative sentences. We also use contractions to make negative sentences. Now test your understanding by choosing appropriate word. So let's start. Next question. Next question. Now let's discuss the correct question structure of the verb. If the sentence is in the present tense and the subject is a singular noun, he, she, it, then we use the structure does plus the subject plus have. For example, does she have a cat? If sentence is in the present tense and the subject is a plural noun, I, you, we, they, we use do plus the subject plus have. For example, do they have 2 cars? Finally, in the past tense for all subjects we use the structure did plus subject plus have. For example, did I have a meeting yesterday? Now test your understanding. So let's start. Next question. Hope you like this lesson. In the next video we will discuss how to use to have as helping verb. So please like, subscribe and share as more valuable content is on the way.